Hello, children. So, today we're going to talk about parts of a plant. The plant, like the human body, has different parts, and these parts perform different functions. Now, the plants have flowers, the plants have leaves, the plants have the stem, it has roots, the seeds, and the fruits. Now, let's look at each function of this part of the plant. Now, the flowers attract pollinators, that's insects, to help it make seed for the new plant. In order for the plant to have seed or seeds, as the case may be, the flower attracts insects. That's why sometimes you see bees on top of a flower, a particular flower. It's to help make seeds or seed for a new plant. Now, the leaves help the plant to make food. The leaves help the plant to make food by fetching energy or getting energy from the air, from the water, and from the sun, and it helps to make food for the plant. Now, the stem supports the plant and carries water, nutrients, and plant chemicals up and down to all parts of the plant. Now, the stem is the body of the plant. I'll call the leaves as fingers of the plant, and then the flower as the head of a plant. Easy to understand like that. Now, the stem is the body of the plant. The body holds the plant in place, holds it in place, and the stem carries water and nutrients from the root to the remaining parts of the plant. Now, the fruits protect the developing seeds. Now, the fruit, like a mango fruit, after eating your mango, you will see the fruit inside. Or when you're eating your apple, cut an apple, you see seed inside. Now, the fruit protects the seed. The seed is always hidden inside the fruit. Do you understand? Now, the seeds are tiny cases with a baby plant inside. The parent plant packs the seed with nutrition, just like a lunch seed. Just like a lunch, seeds end up having much more energy than other parts of the plant. Now, the seed is tiny. Sometimes the seed can be big. Now, when you plant the seed becomes a new plant. Now, the roots are hidden on the ground but are very important to the plant. Roots hold the plant steady in the ground, suck up water and nutrients from the soil, and even store food for the future. Now, the roots are like the legs of the plant. You know, without your legs, you can't stand properly. Now, the roots help the plant to stand well in the ground or on the ground. It helps it stand in the ground. Do you understand? Now, the roots get water from the ground and nutrients from the ground, and then gives it to the stem, and then the stem gives to the leaves, and then the leaves gives it to the branches. The stem gives to the branches gives to the leaves gives to the flower produces fruit. Now, that's that about parts of the plant. Is that okay? Now, I told you that we eat some parts of a plant. There are some parts of the plant we eat. We can eat the flowers or the stem or the leaves or the roots or the seeds of a plant. Now, the flowers like the cauliflower, the broccoli, the artichoke, they are flowers. Then for the stem, you have rhubarb, asparagus, celery. Yeah, all stems. Then for the leaves, you have your cabbage, your lettuce, your spinach, your what again? Any leaf. Now it's edible. are actually leaves that we eat. Then the root, you have your carrots, your radish, your potato, your sweet potatoes, your yam. They are all the roots of plants we eat. Then for the seeds, you have your corn, you have your beans, your peas, your popcorn from your corn. And then from the flowers of a plant, you have tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, pumpkins. They are all parts of a plant that can be eaten. Now, having learned that, I want you to draw a plant for me and label it. You can paint the plant. You can paint it, you can draw it with your pencil, however you want to draw it. I wait to see your work.